Hello guys, today we will discussing about mold tool in SolidWorks. First of all, open SolidWorks software, then go to new, double click on part or single click or click on OK. After that, to use mold tool, one part is required. So first of all, I will create one model. For create model, click on sketch and click on plane where you want to work. Left click, then click on sketch or click on sketch there and click on rectangle and click on center rectangle. Then click on center point, then click on end point. After that, click on smart dimension and fill the value. You can change according to your choice. Suppose 80. Click on exit sketch and click on feature for 3D. Click on extruded boss and fill the value. Suppose 50, enter. Now click on draft and fill the value there. Then click on OK. Now click on fillet. Click on any edge and choose option this. For selecting all edge, the for all edge will select with the help of this option. Then fill the value there. Then click OK. After that, again click on fillet. Then click on edge and fill value, suppose 15. Enter. After that, click on shell and fill the value there, suppose 5. Enter. Then click on OK. After that, click on mold tool. First of all, click on draft analysis for check draft angle. Click on this face and click on OK. After that, click on parting line analysis. Click on any face, then click on OK. After that, click on parting line, click on this face, then click on draft analysis. With the help of draft analysis, parting line will create. This line is automatic create because we use this option. Now click on parting surface. After this, parting surface will create with the help of parting line and fill the value this, suppose 50. Enter and choose perpendicular to pull. Click on OK. Now click on tooling split. Click on this face and click on rectangle. Click on from center and draw a rectangle. according to die block size and give the dimension. Click on smart dimension. Then click on exit sketch. And fill the value there and there according to your industry. Then click on OK. After that, go to solid block bodies and left click on this option and hide. Left click on this option and hide. This is surface body. Click on this option, hide. Now choose there. Click on show. This is part. Click on hide. Click on show. This is core. Click on hide and click on show there. This is cavity. This is mold tool. If you learn from this video, then please like and subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.